Today we're going to talk about one of the most nutritional food item easily available across the globe. Famous in South India, people love consuming this food. It's packed with a lot of minerals, has immense health benefits, and this is nothing but moringa. Moringa, commonly known as surgeon in Hindi, munugu, murungu, or horseradish tree, drumstick are some of the common names. In the medical terms, we know it by the name of Moringa oleifera. This comes with immense health benefits. The benefits are explained in detail in Ayurveda since the times of Acharya Shushruta, about which we are going to discuss in this video, so you make the most of this. Each time you know why do you eat what you eat, or why do you do certain things which you do, the results are amplified, the results are great, the absorption is great. So let's talk about Moringa in detail in this video. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jovis. To begin with the nutritional value of moringa, it's low in calories, so that's very good. If you consume 100 grams of drumstick, you just get 26 calories. It is low in carbohydrates, low in fatty acids, barely any fatty acids. It's just 0.1 gram fatty acid per 100 grams of drumstick. It is high in fibers, so that's great for constipation, great for preventing cancer. It's high in protein. If you study or see the amino acid profile of drumstick, it's up to date, it's very good. Packed with a lot of enriched with amino acid. If you see, it's high in arginine. We've spoken about arginine in the video of height, for height growth, for our bones, for blood circulation, for sexual problems, for vascularity before workout, for strength, stamina. How useful is arginine? And arginine is present in high amount in drumsticks. So overall, it's very, very beneficial for strength, stamina, and vascularity. It is one of the best anti-aging medicine. It is a rich source of vitamin C. Almost 7 times more vitamin C than other commonly available vitamin C rich foods. It is rich in beta carotene, phosphorus, calcium, iron. For those with anemia, it is very beneficial because it's high in iron. For those with fractures, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, those who are taking the unnecessary calcium supplements, vitamin D supplements, must switch over to such calcium rich foods, phosphorus rich foods, one which is drumstick. Very, very useful. While the patient is on an Ayurvedic treatment or off treatment, we often advise patients to consume drumstick. Either you take a soup of this, you take a, you make a vegetable, or there's a soft internal, inside, there's a soft part of, inside drumstick. You can mix it, in your salad and you can take it. It is packed with nutrients, packed with minerals that your body really requires. So consume it in the real form, in the pure form, rather than just taking, a capsule or medicine. Take it in real form because it's easily available. It's famous in South India. People love consuming it. And where do you get it? You get it in sambar. Whenever you take sambar, it's always there. So you can, next time you see sambar, you can immediately put it in your mouth, you can chew it. It brings down the blood sugar level. It is, bringing down the swelling if present in your body. It's great for headache, for eyes. It's said as chakshushya. For, increasing sperm count, let me tell you, there is a research done on drumstick for increasing sperm count. And the results were great. There is this condition which is azoospermia, for which there is no cure in the world, no medicine, no cure, no result, for which again Ayurveda has miraculous results. Drumstick plays an important part. Along with that, Makar Dwaj or certain Shukra Vardak, Aushadhi, Ayurvedic medication, and male Uttar Basti, we see miraculous results. Overall, let's come to the topic again. Drumstick is great for male sexual health, for vascularity, for blood circulation, for wound healing properties. For abscess. There is this medicine Aragvadadi Kashayam, a classical Ayurvedic medicine, and what is special about this? Moringa is present in Aragvadadi Kashayam. In most of the painkiller Ayurvedic oils like the Murivenna Tel, the Kotam Chukadi Tel, moringa is present. These are commonly used classical Ayurvedic medications that brings down the pain. There is this one medicine Shothagna Lep, which brings down the swelling in the body, and moringa is a part of it. In various Ayurvedic medications, moringa plays a very important role. It brings down the swelling, it brings down the headache, If a leaf paste is applied over the headache, immediately brings down the headache. Now, why do I say care? Because moringa, if we study about its properties given in Ayurveda, it is said as Ushna, Tikshna and Ruksha. It is hot in potency, it is having dry qualities, and is Tikshna, it is having piercing qualities. So those with bleeding disorders must take it in moderation. If you have a bleeding disorder, epistaxis, bleeding from the nose, or bleeding piles, any bleeding disorder, one must not consume moringa. Very important. Those having pittaj vikar, like burning sensation or any of the pittaj vikar, must not consume moringa or take moringa in moderation. You must not take it in excess amount. Moringa is great for you as well. For pittaj people, it is good, but do not over consume it. Take it in moderation, about which we'll talk about the dosage in the further part of the video. For Vatach condition, Kafach condition, it works great. As we just spoke about, it is useful in bringing down the pain, bringing down the swelling. For skin diseases, it is very useful. And for patients after delivery, immediately it must not be taken. At least a gap of 3 months must be given, and then it can be taken. In Ayurvedic Garbha Sanskar, right, if patients are doing an Ayurvedic antenatal care, most of the symptoms are gone. There is healthy and painless delivery. So far, in so many cases, we've seen no complication, no gestational diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, stomach pain, nausea, headache, smooth and safe pregnancy throughout the 9 months. Drumstick is a part of it during pregnancy. We often tell patients that yes, you can take moringa, you can take drumstick on a weekly basis. It is packed with a lot of minerals and it's very useful during this 9-month phase. There are a lot of other rules as well that have great results overall. Talking about again moringa, these are all the benefits. For those with pittaj vikar, must take a slight care. And what is the dosage? The dosage is, if we are talking about a disease condition, for an ailment, for a problem, if we want to use the moringa, then 100 grams per week is the dosage, which comes to 15 grams per day of moringa is very useful. If we talk about healthy individual, then for healthy individuals, 3 to 5 gram is the dosage that is advised for healthy individual. But I would personally advise consuming it in pure form. You can make a vegetable, a soup, a decoction, consume the soft internal part, highly nutritious. This was all about moringa. Do like and share this video further. Each time you get this as a vegetable served on your plate, or next time you see this vegetable, you see this medicine, make sure you chew it, you choose this, you consume it, because it is great for you. This was all for now. Any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, from Jovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.